Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in and ready. Open Gmail in a desktop browser now. Click the gear icon at top right and choose See All Settings. Once the settings page loads, go to the Accounts and Import tab. That's where Gmail manages connected accounts like POP/AMAP or linked Sendas profiles. Make sure you're on the correct Google account. If you have multiple profiles, switch accounts first so you remove the intended connection. Now find the connected account entry you want to remove. It will be listed under Check Mail from other accounts or Send Mail as. Once located, identify whether it's a POP3 fetch, a Gmail delegation, or an external Send As alias because each type removes differently. For POP fetch, click Delete next to the address. For Send As, click Delete, and for delegation, remove the delegate. When prompted, confirm the removal to revoke access and stop mail fetching. Confirm the deletion and then refresh Gmail to ensure the connected account entry disappears. You should stop seeing fetched mail after a short delay. If the connection persists, make sure you removed any delegation on the other account and revoke third-party access in your Google account security settings. Once done, clear your browser cache and sign out and back in to force a sync. If problems continue, remove the connection from the external account settings or contact the account provider for final revocation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.